Top 3 tips for using Google Drive effectively. Now, some of the tips that I'm going to share with you is quite personal, so this might not be the best tips for you, but regardless, I'll still try to give my best in sharing the tips. The first tip that you might not have known is if you go to My Drive option in Google Drive, normally you have to look at the names of the folder to identify the folder that you have created. But we can actually sort this folder by color. So we can choose a custom color for this folder. If you just go to the three dots next to a certain folder, go to Organize. Here you can see folder color. So you can choose a custom color for a folder if you want to identify them next time quite easily if the folder is quite important to you. So this is one of the first ways that you should be able to do it. The second feature that you might not have known is advanced search. So again, if you go to My Drive and within the search in Drive on the right hand side, you can see filters like icon that says advanced search. So if you go to this advanced search, you can actually search your Google Drive files according to type, the owner, which has certain amount of words, item name, location, modifications of date, approvals and e-signatures, shared to which email, and follow up the which by which, and then you can click the search button to always search and use advanced search to search them. Now, last one is actually quite things about keeping things very organized in Google Drive. So you have to identify what is occupying more space, especially if you're using the free version, your storage is quite limited. So on the bottom left, you can always go to storage tab and you will see what is occupying more storage. So here you can see Google Drive itself, the Google Photos itself, the Gmail, how much space it's occupying, and some of the other files that are occupying storage outside of Google. And you always want to make sure to clean these if these are not something that you use regularly, so you can clean up space, because Google Drive is basically a storage compartment for all of your Google services. Whatever you use will be shown up within here, and you can always choose to clean them up if that's what you no longer need. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.